Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. The Port Authority of Jamaica is reporting that all went well today as Port Royal welcomed its first ever cruise ship. Now, TVJ's Andrew Laidley was at Port Royal Cruise Ship Terminal and filed this report.
Discovery to one of the Morella cruises ship pulled into the Port Royal cruise port this morning at about approximately 7:30. I understand that about 2,000 passengers were aboard the vessel, and persons went all over Kingston. Some persons went to Fort Charles. I understand some persons went to the Kingston Craft Market, and some persons also went as far as Ocho Rios. And I also have with me right now the president of the Port Authority of Jamaica. Sir, speak with me a little bit about how the logistical aspects of things went down today.
Things went very well. The ship came in on time. We got a sea walk to work, and it worked exceedingly well. The ground transport operations, which is the first time we're doing a cruise trip like this in Kingston, it worked extremely well. All of the attractions, our Fort Charles, as well as those that you mentioned in Kingston, the guests enjoyed them all. So it was overall a very good day for us.
There's another vessel pulling into the Port Royal port next month. Is there anything that you see that you can fix or brush upon for the next call?
Well, there's a lot. As you know, the port is not yet a completed a job. We still have a long way to go, and we're glad for the additional month to allow us to complete some of those things. We hope that by then it will be almost complete, and then we have the actual official launch in March. There are many things with the facilities, but also with the logistics that we see that we're going to improve. But we are nonetheless quite pleased with how things have gone today, and we think that those are small things that will just make the product a much better one.
All right, thank you again, President Shirley. Well, there you have it. Discovery 2, a part of the Morella Cruises, is pulling out of the Port Royal Cruise Port for its inaugural call, and we look forward to some of the other ships that will pull into the port in future.
Very much. That was our reporter Andrew Laidley. He was reporting live from Port Royal. Now on to the dollar. Now, as you can see, the Jamaican dollar fell to its lowest value in 2 months today, flirting once again with the 140 mark. The US dollar was being sold for $139.17. The Canadian dollar is selling for $107.34. The pound sterling is going for $181.45, while the euro is going for $147.11. The JC index lost 2,102 points today, while the junior market index advanced by 26. Among the winners were Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances, Paramount Trading, Sivani Group, Jetcon Corporation, and Medical Disposables and Supplies. On the losing side were Siginos Credit Investments, US dollar shares, Jamaica Producers Group, Proven US dollar shares, Access Financial Services, and Grace Kennedy. And that's the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Have a good evening.